Vizag steel plant privatization has become quite a huge question mark, with several people like-minded demanding for the state government to stop privatization by the centre as well. We are here at the protest site where it's been around 1,427 days since 12th February 2021, these protests have been going on continuously at this very spot where I am standing at. Several groups have gathered here, all demanding to stop the privatization of the Vizag steel plant. All of these members that you can see here are people who have been continuously protesting for almost over 1,000 days. Come 12 February 2025, it will be over 4 years since these protests had started. Workers and Karyakarta, all of them demanding that privatization of the Vizag steel plant be stopped at the earliest. One of the major demands that has been ongoing here, be it Visakhapatnam, be it Andhra Pradesh, at the central level, several demands that have risen over the years has been that to stop the privatization of Vizag steel plant. The TDP-led NDA government at present does state that yes, they will not let privatization of the steel plant happen, and that they will go ahead and ensure that the workers will be done justice. But the question at large remains as to what will happen. Is there going to be any action that will be taken at the earliest? TDP-led senior leaders have met with Union Minister Kumaraswamy and Nirmala Sitharaman and several others at the center in Delhi as well, demanding that there be some kind of action, some kind of promise that be given by the centre to ensure that they will go ahead and stop the privatization and sale of the plant. But most importantly, question remains as to see what happens to the plant workers, what happens to their demands. Will it finally be met? With video journalist Prasad at Vizag, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.